What's up guys? Yan, meron na po ipakita guys. Meron po tayong bagong nasalihan na isa pong community. Tawagin po ay Unity Life Welfare Community Incorporated. Alright, and bago lang po tayo, by this time na ginawa to natin yung video na to, meron po silang 18,512 na members. And then kagandahan po dito is meron po silang certification from the SWD that license to operate. Ayan. Kung tawagin po dito guys sa Bisaya is Dayong. It's a community of helping each other. So meron po tayong voluntary contribution dito sa bawat po mayroong makapag-claim, may namatay o naman hospital, meron pong ganun guys. So minimum subscription ay 200. Upon checking this morning, okay, meron pong nabawas sa ating subscription na 20 pesos. So, meron po, i-check po natin yung contribution guys. Click po natin yan. So meron po dito nakapag-claim na sa atin as member 20 pesos po yung na-deduct. So sa isang membership guys, meron po pwede i-karga na 3 beneficiaries. So apat sa bawat account is meron pong apat dyan na beneficiary. So i-claim po natin yun dito. Sino po nakapag-claim? I-hide lang po natin yung mga information kasi confidential po yan. Mga accident, release, ito po ay nakasubmit po ng April 14. And then siya po ay taga Cabanglasan, Bukidnon. Ang dahilan po ng pagkamatay is lunod or drone. So meron po silang naka-attach dito na documents, which is the incident record form from police, and then meron po silang mga death certificate. So makakatanggap po sila ng I guess 30,000, not I guess but 30,000 kasi yung accident po is nangyari kasi bago lang po yung company, 3 months. So kung ma-accident po is within 3 months guys, meron po silang 30,000. Kung namatay po, meron po dito, i-check natin guys. Dito i-click mo natin yung claims. Tayo po ay eligible na for kung sakaling ma-accident, mamatay due to accident. Okay? 3 months from the start is meron pong 30,000 dito. Death claims, kumbaga normal death. 3 months na active guys. Tayo po ay bago pa lang, hindi pa lock pa into. Kung 4 months active po tayo, natural death, meron po tayong 25,000 plus 5,000 na groceries. Kung meron naman po itong hospital, ma-unlock po natin yun in 6 months. For active is meron po tayong 7 days at 3,000 per day. So 21,000 plus 9,000 na pang laboratory. Pwede po matatanggap po natin yan upon yung kalabas na po tayo kasi apply po natin i-claim po natin yung i-attach po natin yung mga medical records. Ayan, kahit wala kang bayaran is nabayaran is meron tayo mag-claim na 30,000 sa hospitalization every 6 months. Okay, so in 1 year 2 times po tayo pwede makapag-claim nan. Via death accident naman, kung 8 months above is 90,000 in total. Kung natural death 8 months above is 50,000 plus 10,000 na groceries. Yan po yung mga benepisyo po natin matatanggap as a member guys. So kung gusto niyo pong malaman or magka-idea po sa ginagawa natin dito sa Unity Life, you can contact me sa messenger ko at via a mobile number. You can contact me directly. Alright, so thank you guys and God bless you.